Hey everybody, this is Alan and Matt. We are going over to the Raynham Dog Track today. We showed you this last week. I promised you we're going to be doing a Thursday run. We're here again to do another event. You ready for this?
I'm as ready as can be.
Sweet. No, so we're going to make our procession ride. We got two people here. We're going to pick up some other people as we go up, and then we're going to meet over there, and then we're going to show you off some great cars. So you guys tag along. We'll be right there. Bye. 1, 2, 3. You need to rev it.
1,500 for the launch. I got almost 3,000. Yeah, so here is, and there's the regular
And
mode.
change back into regular. Wow.
And then so it's like an F1 car. And then you pull, this is neutral. But if you go this here, like look, you can play back. Well, that was in my garage. But it records everything, like you 0 to 60 and you...
at the end of the Raynham Dog Track Wheels of Time event. What did you think of it?
I thought this was a great turnout, great event. First time I've been here, and I certainly will be back.
What do you think your favorite car was?
Favorite car here all day. I'd be lying if I didn't say I love the C8.
Yeah.
Great car and great guy driving it.
Yeah.
And I'd say if I had to pick another, that black Bel Air over there was quite the show car.
I'm still on the 66 Bonneville. You guys have seen it probably 100 times, so I'm not going to bore you with it, but it's still like, I still identify with it at least until I get a Mercedes to bring out to one of these shows. He's already got a Cadillac, so I got to run something that's going to run with him from now on. So good luck with that. So now you guys for watching. We got some other videos over here to take a look at. So as always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Don't forget to come over and watch the Untamed show. We got more content coming to you guys. And as always, don't forget to drive.